What is up, guys? Welcome to today's trade recap. Today, I ended up taking another loss. So, yeah, let's go over it. Going into the day, I did have a bullish bias. We were inside of this 4 hour fair value gap and also this order block. So, I was looking to get maybe continuation long, something like this. We didn't really get that. And I said, if we embrace the 4 hour gap, so this one here, then I can take shorts. Um, so that is pretty much what happened. Let me remove my this. So at 10 a.m. we inversed 4 hour gap. We also inversed this hourly gap right here as well. Um, at open there was a mech. I mean not a mech short. Just a short like a 930 euros that you could have taken. We swept this high and were we inside of an hourly gap? Yeah, I think we were inside of an hourly gap and there was a 30-second inverse. Um, it wasn't terrible, but I just didn't take it because I was bullish overall, and for me to take shorts, I needed to see us inverse this 4 hour gap first. So I didn't take anything there. Wait, there's something on my screen. Hold up, it's like sticky right there. Um, uh, 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 uh. and then yeah, we ended up getting an SMT here with. Wait, was it here? I think it was here. Um, it was SMT. Yeah, so it was at this high. There was a there was a 30-second here. It's a pretty small one. I didn't take it. Again, I was bullish, but this ended up cooking. If you took this shit printed. So yeah. Um, there was also a 2 minute long that I only took on my eval. We ended up sweeping this low inside of this gap here, and I saw this low was kind of protected since it traded into this hourly gap. And then boom, we got a 2 minute inverse. So that is when I went long on my eval. I did really like this. I had a stop around here and I just went break even here. And yeah, I got stop at break even. And then for the trade that I took on my funnel account, once we got the 4 hour inverse, I was bearish towards previously low. And this on-field daily gap at the time, I guess that the draw did play out, so I was right on that. Uh, But we opened up this 15-minute fair value gap here, right here. Oops. Um, we had generated some good liquidity, like I don't know, low, 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 and well, we filled the 50-minute fair value gap here on NQ. So let me go to NQ. Where is it? Fuck. So as you can see, this is the 50-minute fair value gap, and NQ did take it, and then boom, we got this 1 minute inverse here. So that is when I went short. Looking back, it wasn't a bad trade. I think that I did good by taking it. By good by taking it, the only thing was that at the time, ES was super close to this high, but I didn't really want to fade that because I was pretty bearish. And I said when I was going into the trade, I knew that okay, have my stop there. I knew that I could go a bit into drawdown and get the SMT here with this high, and it ended up happening here. And honestly, bro, when I saw that we got SMT there and then this 30-second inverse here and we started like going down, I really thought that it was gonna be a win. I wasn't like sure, but it like gave me more confidence that it would hit. But yeah, I just had a 1-to-1 to this low. So yeah, I ended up losing there. So I did have a losing week. Yeah, this loss, look back at it and it should have been avoided. So yeah, um, yeah, this is kind of pretty, but yeah, bad start to the month so far. But it is what it is. Price action hasn't really been that good, and my mentor Blake I also had two losing weeks, so yeah, it is what it is, you know. Looking back, what I could have done better on this day, honestly, I should have taken, and I did take care of my eval. Yes, I just show you guys here. Bruh, my eval's cooked. I ended up taking this the 2 minute long I said, and I also took this 1 minute inverse here on my eval as well. And I should have taken that on my funded, looking back. Here's executions, I guess. Um, and the reason that I didn't was because we had the 50-minute gap that we opened up at, what time was it? 10:15. Yeah, so we opened up the 50-minute gap around here, like on this close. And so I wanted to see us fill that, but we didn't really need to because if we go, we had these two 5 minute fair value gaps here, and if we go to ES, um, we ended up getting an SMT here with this 5 minute. What was it? Right here. Wait, what, bro? Wait, let me try it out. There's a 5 minute here on ES, and ES took it on this candle. Also, ES took it on this. Yeah, so we did have an SMT here with a 5 minute fair value gap. And Q traded into this 5 minute fair value gap. And so even though we are about to open up this 50-minute fair value gap, since we got the SMT and we technically filled the 5 minute fair value gap on ES, um, this inverse here is okay to take. Uh, they should here. You can take this close here. We also close through this gap here, and we got a CISD, so it's pretty good. And this is also valid to take because since we got SMT here with the 5 minute before we opened up the 50-minute fair value gap, we already rebalanced the range like the leg, so we don't technically need to trade back towards the 50-minute. On this case, we did, but but yeah, I do think that the better trade would have been this one, especially since on this short, the one that I took, uh, we were like super close to the high, but on this one we just were not that close. So I think it was better in my opinion. So this is a trade that I should have taken. I did take it on eval, but I should have taken it on my funded as well. I mean, either way, it would have been a loss. So yeah. Mm, and yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I guess I ended up just chopping around. 1 p.m. There was this 5 minute here. Was there an entry there? Uh, yeah, there was this 3 minute inverse there. So that wasn't bad. There might have been a 4 minute, I don't know. But yeah, there was an entry here, continuation, and yeah, it did end up playing out towards the previous day low, which was my draw. So yeah, uh, rough week, but it is what it is. I would take this short here any other day. Maybe not this one any other day, but since it was like so close to this high. But but this one I should have taken it and I would take it every other day. And like the idea of it was like super nice and I did really like it. So yeah, I'm not really mad about this loss. So yeah, it is what it is and we move on. Can't really do anything about it. And yeah, that is pretty much it for today and peace out.